Kiwi looking for food in his refrigerator. Close the door, see if he stays in there.
Sorry, I'll put it down.
Where's Kiwi? Where's Kiwi? There's Kiwi. Hey, look, we got a bird in the fridge. How'd you get in there, Kiwi? What are you doing in the refrigerator? What? Huh? What's he doing in there? What are you looking for? You want me to close it again? Okay, all right, you hold on. Yeah. Kiwi! Oh, there he is. Look at him. He's still looking for his food. Come on, Kiwi. Come on. Come on, Kiwi. Come out of there. Come on. There you go.